Lepo pozdravljeni v Mladinski oddaji. Moje ime je Zajkar. Vabim vas, da se z menoj podate na čarobno popotovanje, kjer bomo srečali bolj ali manj sočne videoizdelke, ki so jih za nas ta mesec pripravile naše čudovite IVS prostovoljke. Pojdimo! Mjav. Radi imamo živali. Sploh tiste, ki zapakirane v plastiko pridejo iz masovnih tovarn mesne industrije. Groza. Poglejmo si reportažo iz večdnevnega filmskega festivala Kurja Polt, ki se že več let dogaja v Ljubljani in na srebrne ekrane prinaša grozo in trash. Letošnja tema festivala je bila Ponorela narava ali Nature Goes Wild. Tja pa se je odpravila kodrava Andreja.
Well, we call it a genre film festival, but that's because you need to give a category to something, because people like categories. But it's about watching films which are different, are a bit more radical, can move you out of your comfort zone, can inspire manic love of cinema, basically. And this is what a lot of genre cinema does. Considering our audience is not very great, it's obviously films for a very brave and daring and maybe different people. Animals should take over. Well, yeah, that would be nice. No.
Vojna. Najbrž najbolj donosna industrija našega sveta. Razmislite o tem, ko se boste odločili za kariero. Morda pa se znajdete na drugi strani. Proti vojni protesti in gibanja so namreč v zadnjih desetletjih močno podhranjeni, čeprav se vojne kar množijo in lepo debelijo. Vse v znak demokracije. Na enega takih protestov se je odpravila naša modrovka Andreja.
Today is so nice from people, even if they say just one word, they stop the war, that's big support for people over there.
If it's not in the media, it doesn't mean it's not happening, and it's really happening. The war in Syria is still actual, and we want to say it's not forgotten.
We would like say stop the bleeding, please. Syrian people, they suffering from a long time ago.
I just hope it will raise some awareness and that it will show that we are still human and that we still think of other people.
I think it's really important to be here to say that here are people who actually care about it.
But we hope the war stop in Middle East and back to our homeland.
Vsi vemo, da je naša Giovanna pravi deloholik, a tokrat se je znašla na vdihu na prav posebni plaži.
17 Palestinians have been killed and over 1,000 injured in clashes with Israeli soldiers along the Gaza border.
As unarmed protesters marched towards the border fence, Israeli soldiers opened fire.
We've just got an update on the casualty figures in Gaza. This is from the Health Ministry in Gaza, saying the death toll is now 43. 43 protesters have been killed.
So that peace process, which was already on life support, is going to be very hard to get going again.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel.
Moje telo je moj tempelj. Drugače pa ste že slišali morda za odličen festival grozljiv Kurja Pout. Oglejmo si še en prispevek iz istega festivala, a tokrat iz drugačne perspektive. Tja se je podala in za kamero stala igriva Maja. Imate priložnost, da tudi sami razmislite, kako bi pa vi posneli prispevek iz takega festivala.
The boat can leave now. Tell the crew.
Poglejte, tamle je Neptun. Zvezde in planeti. Astrologi pravijo, da imajo neizmeren vpliv na naše osebnosti in celo usodo. Astronomi, po drugi strani, pa vse skupaj označujejo za izmišljeno psevdoznanost. Vsekakor je zanimivo.
Neptun predstavlja religijo, predstavlja vero, predstavlja tudi laži, prevare, nejasnosti. Ker lahko smo v neki situaciji, pa ne vemo, kako naprej, zato ne bo novih posli. Neptun je tisti planet, ki nam pa lahko da tudi intuicijo, nam lahko da zavedanje, da smo pravzaprav duhovna bitja, da neke stvari v življenju znamo od nič do 2000 let približno, da je 20 let gora ali gora, je bila doba Neptuna, rib. Se pravi doba krščanstva. Pluton predstavlja nekaj, kar je temnega, nekaj, kar je globalnega. V moderni astrologiji lahko rečemo, da predstavlja preobrazbo. Pluton, ko so odkrili Plutona, je bil odkrit v znamenju Škorpijona, to je bilo leta tam nekje, ne vem, 77 tam nekje, in takrat je bilo kaj precej, da so odkrili tudi Ajci. Je bilo pač povezano z nekom globalno masovno zadevo. Naprimer, Neptun, ki je bil odkrit, so bile tudi strune. Tudi naša astrološka karta je zemljevid našega časa. Skozi njo mi lahko odkrijemo, kdo pravzaprav smo, kaj lahko odkrijemo, kaj lahko pridobimo, kje so naši temelji in kaj lahko razvijemo. Ljudje se lahko vedno izboljšamo. Ne smemo pa dopustiti tega, da se odgovarjamo na planete, da so planeti tisti, ki so krivi.
Na poti je Andreja srečala tudi aktiviste po imenu Aktivisti na poti, ki se trudijo za promocijo veganstva. Pa poglejmo.
We are anonymous for the voiceless. We are here to promote veganism and tell people what's actually going on, show people what's going on with animals in food industry, entertainment, clothing, testing, everything that we put animals through today. With peaceful approaches and trying to educate people and telling them the truth, most people are actually very positive and reacting very positive to what we are telling them and what they see on the screens. It's amazing to see how many people get inspired and motivated to try changing their habits and doing more for the animals, planet, environment, everything that's not about us.
Les je papir in papir je les. To pa je stara papirnica v Krškem. The curious Lulu set out to Budapest and discovered a sustainable print shop.
What can I do to be unique, fashionable, but good for the environment? We are here in Budapest, a beautiful city of Hungary, and this is Printa. We are a sustainable shop, which is a much broader term. It means that we are trying to reduce our waste, trying to go green. We have a lot of stuff that's upcycled, which means that we are taking something that might have been waste once, cut them up, find a nice parts, and make something new again. We are very, very happy to be living here in the historical Jewish district of Budapest. We are also very, very proud of selling local design, made locally, and a lot of prints are inspired by the map. Like you can see here, some of the street names or some of the bridges of the city. These are the very, very fine meshes that the guys use for the printing. What they do is that each color that's going to be on the print is put on a very, very fine silk mesh, and then they just press paint all over them with using this really big machine. It's called a carousel because it just rotates around with this mesh. coffee shop as well here at Printa. We get the coffee beans from next door, which is a really nice coffee shop / roastery. We wanted to have a place that's not just a shop, not just a showroom, not just a gallery, but also a resting place. Have just this nice little corner to chat and to have nice coffee. This is not just a concept, not just, a shop that you go to shop and then forget about. It was really an experience to come here and meet people who actually try and find ways to be less wasteful. But I think if we all make choices to start thinking about the larger picture instead of the comfort of our lives, we really could do something.
Ravnotežje. Ena od bolj pomembnih stvari za uravnoteženo življenje. Poglejmo si odlično delavnico Slacklinea, ki jo je vodil elegantni Jakob. Bosonoga potepuhinja Giovanna je sodelovala na dvodnevni filmski delavnici, kjer je skupaj s palestinsko-izraelsko ekipo ustvarila pričujoč izdelek.
أنا شو قصدي؟
طيب شو كان قصدك؟ هاد بيتي
تقدر تطلقه.
البيت بوسعناش.
قد الظلم شافت الحيطان هاي.
تعب من كل هالحياة فما عاجبه إلا من راغب في ازديادي.
رأيك في الحيطان هدول ذكريات؟
كل شيء اللي ذكرته الحياة الورد الحب.
ما نطفش إيه؟ ما نطفش.
النار اللي ذكرتها وذكرى بتغير وجهها بس دايما ما رح تبقى براسها.
بعده في إلي أمل؟
أكتر عذاب للبني آدم إنه له محامي. هاي العلبة قديه مصاريف طلعت منها. أقسم بالله هاي العلبة أنقذت حياتي أكثر من مرة.
Žal ima vsaka čaga svoj konec. A na srečo se Mladinska oddaja k vam vrača že prihodnji mesec. Hvala vam za pozornost. Bodite pozorni še naprej do sebe, do svojih bližnjih. Z vami sem bil Zajklar. Sledite mi na Instagramu. Lahko sledite tudi Lutis produkciji in seveda vsem odličnim puncam, ki so danes z nami, Giovanna, Andreja, Lulu, Maja, Ljudmila, ne vem katere še vse, najbrž jih je res polno, ampak so odlične, priporočam, da jih spoznate.
Paneda, ti si tista nogajeva moja, ljubka mala popetuška moja, Maja zate najvesel, spremeni se v pisen cvet, če išče srečo ne pozabi, mala Maja, da jo išče nosi s tabo Maja.